before you can get started. If you don't already own the Admin Panel Game Pass, you will need to buy before you continue with the video. You must own or have a private server active for the Admin Panel Game Pass to work function, not public servers. Otherwise, let's get started. There are two ways of setting up a private server. This is the first way. At the top right on your screen, you should see a button that says Admin. Click to open up the admin panel. Here is your basic admin panel with basic controls, nothing special. Click on the red Server Configurator button. This is where all the magic happens. Here is where you can change many things, including the map you choose to spawn in. Since the release of the Monaco map, you now can change the map location you'll spawn in. Currently 3 maps to choose from. Each map has its own settings you can change depending on what contents each map contains. This allows you to use the flyability, as well as change the day and night cycle, all inside the Server Configurator. So when you're ready to make your changes, just click the Restart Server button. Anyone else that's in the server with you will get kicked. You just need to rejoin back into your private server, and all the changes should be made once you're back in. More custom maps will be added to the game at some point in time. Just gotta wait for the announcements. The loading is taking a bit long, which means it has switched to the Monaco map. We've arrived. Let's go. So from here you can make whatever changes you want in your own server, all in real time. But if you want to host a server where random users can join from the custom server list board or via a code, this is the second way. The custom server board list is right at spawn. It's how you can join any new custom maps that get added to the game. Scroll to the bottom to start your own custom server. Click the button. You'll get a menu you can only access via the server list. To create a new server, click the green plus button. Next, click Edit. You'll get an extra button called Metadata, which is what displays onto the server list. The tags, the requirements, your description, even the server size you can set. You just pick, choose, and decide on how you want your server to operate when playing with friends or other users. Every settings option here is the same as the first way I showed, but you're doing this for a proper server everyone can play on. Once you're done customizing your server, click back. Once you're ready to go, click the Activate button to open up your server. It's bugged. 1 second. Alright, the server is up and running. You should see your server on the list. Refresh the board page if you don't. Below your server name is a share code to access your server. You can manually type the code, or click the little icon to automatically copy the code for you. Then you just paste the link to whoever you're gonna share to. A live stream, a friend's, a random, or whoever else. Real quick, to find a server via your automatic copied code, look up at the board. There should be an empty box you can fill out. That's where your code's gonna go. Once pasted or typed out, click the blue search magnifying glass icon. It should find the server for you. It popped up. Click Join and you're in, depending on the server requirements to access. You can click the red X to clear the code. The owner can deactivate or delete their server, which means it won't appear on the list. Like what you see on screen, the server's not there. When you're ready for commitment,
Harry,
click the Join button. Now you're in your own server, with all the stuff you did or changed has actually applied onto your server. If you need to change some stuff, you can do it on the fly. Sometimes you may need to restart the server when you're changing maps, or changing the server size. But otherwise, you're about ready to operate your server the way you want to, with the rules you follow by. You probably want an answer to this. Can you use building tools in Monaco? No, nor can you build on the map. You may ask, why is there an option then? Well, it's probably because the devs forgot to remove this option. After all, the devs did copy everything from the main island onto Monaco. If the devs see this video, it will likely get fixed. Either you will be able to build, which is why this option is still here, or they will remove the option to insert, which you can't do anyways. Well, that does it for this tutorial. This is bearish on for today. Bearish on.
Bro, it's me the